So my presentation is going to be very short, as I'm going to briefly remind how to create a project. So this is mainly aimed at those who are going to be PI in each project, as this part has only it only has to be done once. And anyway, so first of all, you clearly have to open the Agouti website at agouti.eu, and then you're gonna see this page. But if you haven't registered yet, you're gonna have two buttons, which are login and register. Once you click on the register button, you're gonna be asked about name, surname, email, and password, of course. And then you will be able to access the dashboard. Your dashboard is going to be empty, as you're not going to have any project yet. So once you have done the registration, you're going to have to contact me and communicate me that you have done so. At that point, what I'm going to do is share. This is my project, the one I'm in, but it's just to show you. I'm going to share with you this link, and I'm going to send it to you. So once you click on that link, you are going to be sent to this page. So you will request the access, and once you have done so, I will see a pending request in the project. Clearly, I will do this for your specific project, as I have almost all the projects have already been created. So I will send the link for your specific project. You're going to request the access, and once you've done so, I will have your pending request here, and I will be able to accept it and to decide your role. So I will make you PI, and once you are PI, you will be able to do the same thing. So sharing, copying the link. So you click, you get a confirmation that the link has been copied, and you share it with your collaborators and tell them to do the same. So once they have done the access, you will be able to accept their request and to decide their role. So depending on what you're gonna choose, they will be only able to, for example, to see or to annotate, or if they are administrator or PI, they will be able to edit the project as well. So this is the fundamental part for you to get in charge, let's say, of your project, and to be able to edit it and to invite new people for then going on with the project. Other few things you're going to have to do. So the name is going to be set by us. It is very important that you set the correct time zone for your project. Then you can add a description, and why not, you can add an image of, for example, an overview of the study site. And you can specify here the owner, PI, and the organization you are running the project for. As for the sampling design, we have no bait and systematic random sampling design. As for the annotation, Jim is going to explain about these in the next presentation. And just another short thing I would like to mention is about here the species. So this is just for the manual annotation. As I said, annotation is going to be explained by Jim, but for the manual annotation, you're going to have to add the behaviors here, which you can, I mean, we decided to leave these to the collaborators. So there's no defined set of behaviors to adopt, but it's so you're gonna have to add the name, which is going to be the label that you're gonna have in the Agouti interface when you are annotating the sequences, and the description, which is going to be needed for the other collaborators using the annotation function. And the same could be done for the species, but the species can also be added as there's a class of species that you can add, and Jim is going to go further in detail about this. So this is kind of it for the project setting. So I think I can leave it to the next presentation.